Hi there, I'm David from DB Chartered Accountants. Whether you want to or not, there will come a time when you need to access your personal tax account. My view is, why wait until you need it and then have to deal with it when it may be urgent? I think that everyone is better advised to set up their own online tax account with HMRC now. You can log in to your tax account and check out where you stand with regard to your tax liabilities. You may also need to create an account so that you can notify HMRC of liabilities prior to doing your annual tax return. For example, you may have to notify HMRC of any capital gains that you have made on the sale of residential property and land. This video will take you through step by step through the process of signing up for an online account with HMRC. To get started, do a Google search for HMRC online. From the search result, choose HMRC Services Sign In or Register gov.uk. This will take you to this page. Click on the green button saying Sign In. On the next page, click on the link at the bottom saying Create sign-in details. On the next screen, you'll be asked to enter your email address. I think you're best choosing one that you can access on your mobile phone. Then click on Continue. HMRC will respond by sending a 6-letter code to your email address. Enter the code that they send you into the box provided and then click here to confirm your email address to HMRC. HMRC then respond by acknowledging that your email address has been confirmed. Click on Continue to move on. On the next screen, enter your full name and then click on Continue. You are then asked to enter and confirm the password that you want to establish for your tax account. Make sure that you record this so that you can use it next time when you want to access your tax account once it's been created. Then click on Continue. You are advised that you need to set up a recovery word. Make sure that this is something that you will always be able to remember, even if you can't find where you've written it down. Click on Continue. Then enter your chosen word and click on Continue. On the next page, you are informed what your gateway user ID is. Keep a record of this ID along with your password. You will need both these each time that you want to log in to your tax account. Then click on Continue. On the next screen, tick this box to indicate that you are an individual. The next screen informs you that you need to set up additional security. Click on Continue. You can then make a choice of how you wish to receive the access codes from HMRC. This provides a second line of security that you will need to pass to gain access to your tax account. Unless you have reason to choose differently, I think it's simplest to opt to go for text messages. Click on Continue. If you do choose text, then the next screen asks you to confirm whether the phone is a mobile number or not. I would always recommend that you use a mobile phone if you can, as you are more likely to have access to this when you want to gain access to your tax account. Tick on Yes and then click on Continue. On the next page, enter your telephone number and then click on Send Access Code. You'll then receive a text message on your phone containing a 6-digit access code. Type this code that you receive in the box provided and then click on Continue. The next screen confirms that your additional security has been set up. Click on Continue. You are then informed that you will need to provide proof of your identity. Once you've read the content of this screen, click on Continue at the bottom. Then enter your first name, last name, national insurance number and your date of birth. Take care to match the format of the date as shown here. click on Continue. You're then faced with a number of options which vary depending upon your personal circumstances. If you can, I would choose the passport and the self-assessment options. I would avoid the credit reference questions if you possibly can. The questions that this generates can be a little bit tricky. It asks you questions like, when did you last obtain a loan? A credit card, a phone contract, or a mail order contract? It gives you multiple choice answers for each of these, but it's not easy to get them right. So it gives you 5 attempts before it locks you out, for 24 hours before you can try again, another 5 attempts. From personal experience, I can say that this can be a little bit frustrating. Tick the boxes to indicate your choice and further prompts that may be required, like this one. On the self-assessment page, it asks you to indicate the amounts that you have entered on your tax return in a selection of boxes. You should enter naught for any boxes that didn't apply to you. At the bottom of the page, click on Continue. The passport questions are self-explanatory, though again, you need to be careful to get the format of the date in this question right. When you have entered all the required details, click on Continue, and hopefully they will confirm that your identity check has been successful. If you fail to be successful, then you will need to go back and try again until you are. Then click on Continue. On the next screen, it tells you that your identity has been confirmed. Click on Continue. You can then indicate if you wish to get official notifications online or by snail mail. Make your choice and then click on Continue. And that's it. It brings you to the home page of your tax account, from which you have options to check various areas of tax that might affect you. I hope that this video has been helpful for you. If you have not done so already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we endeavour to provide lots of information to help you. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now.